Hi guys, it's me, Natalie. So today's video is going to be this look that I'm wearing right now. It is a very easy, everyday, very glowy look, very simple. It's perfect for if you're just going out and you just want a little bit of glow. So I'm going to start out by priming my face. I'm not going to use an actual primer. I'm just going to moisturize, and I'm going to use the Cerave Facial Moisturizing Morning Lotion with SPF of 30. I'm just going to squirt some onto my hand and rub it all over my face. Next, I'm going to take the Neutrogena True Match, which also has SPF 17, but I'm taking it in Classic Ivory Neutral 2. And I'm just going to take it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to blend it out onto my face. This foundation, it's so easy to find like your perfect match. And also, it has amazing coverage and a gorgeous finish. It's like a natural. Like, it's not too matte. It's not like super wet looking. It's kind of like it's a little bit more dewy, but. And then I'm just going to take what's left and I'm going to blend it down onto my neck. Okay, I just put a headband on. I realized that my hair was getting in my face. Anyways, we are going to move on to the next step. And that is going to be to conceal our face. So I'm just going to use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 6. I love this concealer, you guys. It has such amazing just coverage and such a pretty finish. So something that I really look for is coverage and long lastingness, because even if I'm doing a simple look, I have so much scarring under my skin and most products will wear off on me very quickly. So that is a big something for me. Okay. So now we are going to set the face, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 5. And I'm just gonna take my sponge and dip it into the powder. And just apply it directly onto my face from there. And then I'm also gonna just take it and basically put it anywhere that you put the concealer. Yeesh. Okay. So now I'm going to and move on, and I'm going to use to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. So it's a highlighter, but it works amazing as a setting spray, because if you apply it to a target area, it is a gorgeous highlight. However, if you just take and just kind of swirl it all over the face, it adds a lot of glow. And I love what it does when you apply it as a setting powder. And then next up, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's amazing. It is so talked about on YouTube for a reason. It took me forever to finally end up buying it, but now that I have, I will never go back. It is a staple in my collection. Anytime I'm going on vacation, this is what I bring. I always have one in my collection, and they last so long. Like, I've only bought like 2 or 3 in the past year. Okay, so next I'm going to take the Milani Baked Powder Blush in Dolce Pink. And I think that just by adding blush, you really give your face a lot of color back, which helps to make it look more natural and just healthier. And I know, I love it. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my face with the Milani Strobelight in Afterglow. And I'm just going to put it on top of my cheekbones, on my temples a little bit, and above my eyebrow. Copy onto the other side. And then dust whatever's left onto my nose and my upper lip. Okay. So now that all my face makeup is done, I'm going to take the Pixi it's Eye Time eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to dip into this third color right there. They don't, I believe it's called It's Mommy's Life. And I'm just going to adjust it into my crease. Okay, and that is all I'm going to do for that. Now I'm going to take the Colourpop Supershock eyeshadow in Sundance. So pretty, you guys. This is like my favorite. Like, this is my go-to. This one and one other shadow waddles. But like, I just put these on my eyelids and then I really don't even do anything else afterwards. Like, it's just such a pretty, like, you can just put it on your eyelids and blend it out and you're good to go. Okay, so now I'm going to tightline my eyes with, you guessed it, the NYX Jolie gel pencil. And if you guys, I really need to branch out, so if you guys have any suggestions for a new eyeliner that I should use, liquid or gel or anything, just let me know and I will be happy to check it out. Okay, so now I'm going to put on some mascara with the Jordana Best Lash Extreme. Okay, to finish this off, I'm going to take the same highlighter, the Milani highlighter that I was using earlier, and I'm just going to take and put it on my inner eye. And then to finish the look off, I have 2 more steps, or 3 I guess, but I'm just going to take the Colourpop Supershock shadow in Glow, and I'm going to take it on a small flat brush to highlight my brow bone. And for my lips, I'm going to take the Colourpop lip gloss in Aquarius. I love just using this just on my bare lips. It's so pigmented and just so pretty and glossy. This also is an everyday staple for me. And then just to set my face, I'm going to use the Badescue facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I love this stuff, you guys. Okay, so this is our finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave any comments that you might have with ideas, videos that you want to see, or products I should try. Thank you. Bye.